What's up, you guys? Just got back from all our activities for the day. We did Alpine roller coaster.
We went to Smoky Mountain Alpine coaster. It was actually a lot of fun. It went a lot faster than I expected it to.
Yeah, it is really fast. We rode in the same car, which, I mean, we probably would have had, I don't know, not better time, but I don't know.
think so, because I feel like we went so fast because it was too
Yeah,
fast.
that's true. That's true. I guess go with a partner so you can get the full effect.
Yeah, and it was nice because it was pretty close to like our cabin.
Our Airbnb.
Yeah.
And it wasn't that like expensive at all. I think it was like $18, which is worth the views. It's like a 10-minute ride maybe.
And
then, it's definitely worth it.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
We also did a ski lift and horseback riding at the same place, so that's also really close to our Airbnb.
Yeah, they're right beside each other.
Yeah,
the ski lift goes over the horse stable and trail. Yeah.
It's called a Hawk ski lift, and that was like really fun and reasonably priced. I feel like it was like a 30-minute horseback ride through like a little trail that they had.
Walking trail.
Yeah.
Joseph and Miss Julie. It's like a family business. Everybody was nice and like respectful, cool, calm, collected. The horses were nice, well trained, well behaved. We rode Pearl and Bubba.
Yeah. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah. Then what did we do?
We went and got food at the food truck place.
Oh
it's
yeah,
right
it's
down
like a
the
little
street.
food truck lot, like park basically.
Yeah.
We had some chorizo nachos and quesadillas. Really good.
Now we're about to drink some wine, and then we're going on a helicopter ride.
Right.
So we're super excited about that, and we'll let you know how that turned out to go.
So we wanted to just give an update.
Yeah, the helicopter ride, it was nice. It was really pretty. We used scenic helicopter rides, I believe is what they're called in Gatlinburg. It was really pretty, and our pilot was really awesome. But
Jeff, shout out Jeff.
yeah, shout out to Jeff. It was $120. The flight though was only per person. The flight was only 15 minutes though. Like when we did this in Vegas, it was like 45 minutes to an hour. Yeah, so it was very short.
But in Vegas, it was $500 a seat, so that is good.
Yeah. I mean, it was fun. I'd still say it was worth it. Yeah.
Today's been fun.
Yeah, let's plan for tonight.
Well, getting lit, as you can see. About to go do some putt-putt.
Yeah.
And then end it off with some dinner. Not sure where, but, you know.
I sped this clip way up because, as you can see, we are just trash at mini golf, but we ended up going to Professor Hacker's Lost Treasure mini golf course. I definitely recommend them if you're in the Pigeon Forge area. This was honestly my very favorite part of our Tennessee trip. This zipline tour was so much fun, and the thing you don't get to really grasp in these videos is how long the zip lines are. Some of them were a mile long, and it would literally take you like 45 seconds to get all the way to the other end. Pretty hot. I figured. Me and Hollywood were joking about him having to extra prepare for E coming down the zip line. He said that he figured he would be coming in pretty hot.
what?
So what's the success rate of this working?
That,
That's
like
gonna
as a
be good
GoPro?
video.
You know what? I've seen somebody else, I think, do that. I think it'll work.
I think it'll work too.
I think it'll work. As long as this strap ain't in the way, I think it'll work. Yeah. Come down to right here and see what it does. Yeah, that should work. Yeah.
And go?
1 second here. Okay, actually, let me put you there. Hey, did you clear that? My bad. I was talking. All right, that's all.
I just love the confidence that we had in this actually working because it was such a fail. And I'm so sad that it was because this was one of the prettiest views that we got to see. Just got back from the ziplining tour that we did.
It was lit.
Yeah, we had to tell you about it because it was so much fun. The place we went to was Weird Valley.
Weird Valley Zipline.
Yeah, adventure, and our guides were awesome.
Shout out Hollywood and Snoopy.
Yeah, they were so funny, and they were really like, I don't know, quick
nice.
and efficient. Yeah.
They did their job. They had great customer service.
Yeah, and it was really close to like where we're staying too.
Yeah, super close by the Airbnb.
It was like 6 zip lines total, and they really like take you through like the valley and
amazing
everything.
views.
Yeah, on the mountaintops. I was trying to take a video, but it's kind of impossible while you were ziplining. But yeah, really amazing views. The only thing that was kind of like sketch or sus was the ride up to the top of the mountain. They take you on like the back of like pickup trucks with like wooden benches.
Right. And on the last zip line going down the hill, there's a staircase. It's not really sketch, but it's kind of like it's probably the most dangerous part about the whole thing, honestly.
Yeah, but it was definitely worth the. What did you pay for?
Okay, $170, so it's like $90 a person.
Yeah, but it was definitely worth it. It was so much fun.
And they give you a discount anyway. Like they're like family friendly. It's real cool, chill, way back people.
Yeah. We're gonna head into town now after we eat some dinner to fix his phone. Yeah, because he broke his phone.
Broke my phone.
Yeah, so we'll find something to do while we're in there. But overall, this has been a really fun trip. If you need some good places to eat, Local Goat was really good. Peaceful Side Brewery.
Local Goat. We went to Dude's Daiquiris. They got really cheap drinks.
Yeah, they have really good drinks.
Shout out to Jessica. She was our bartender. She's really friendly and nice.
Yeah, and what else? Oh yeah, the food truck.
The food truck part.
In Weird Valley. They had some really good places there.
I can't recall the guy's name at the barbecue spot, but oh my god, it was so good. The potato salad and baked beans was so good.
What did you make?
Some creamy spinach and artichoke, chicken bacon mix with potatoes and zucchini and squash.
Love eating with this view too. We ended our trip having to get a new tire thanks to an air bubble.
Auntie, hi. I'm sorry, we gotta get a new tire. Cause this one might pop. We got a long way back. Yeah, how do you feel about that? I'm sorry.